I classify the monthly returns of Apple stars as this data table. This is the class interval. This column is group frequency. Let's use pie chart or a circle chart to visualize this data table. Highlight the data table. Go to Insert Pie Chart. Just choose the basic one. We have the pie chart. Let's do some adjustment. Click one point in the pie. Choose Add Data Labels. And then click one number in the pie. Choose Format Data Labels and select category name and percentage. Okay. Now we have lots of information here. Make it bigger. For example, the blue part of the pie, 122 data points fall into this category, 0 to 10%. And the data point in this class contribute 31%. That means 31% of the data fall into this class.